You. Good morning. Good morning, my love. I meet you again. How are you? Guys, while I'm coming inside, she's waiting for me. He's waiting for me. Hello, Gaia. Oh, you're so cute. Look at the tail. He like it. What are you doing, my love? See, bless. God bless you. God bless you. Yeah, bless. Bless, Leo, bless. What are you doing? Huh? You're showing again and you want again food? It's too early to eat food. You took breakfast already. You took breakfast already, Leo. And now you're showing me to give you food again. Where to eat? Enjoy. Good morning, everyone. Oh, I told you enjoy. Enjoy eating. Okay, can I change my slipper first? Okay? Can I? Okay. Say bye-bye later. Later. Oh.